Welcome everyone. Question on radius ratio. Radius of Zn2 plus and S2 minus ions are 0.74 angstrom and 1.84 angstrom respectively. In Zns ionic crystal, what is the coordination number of Zn2 plus ions? Choices are A 3, B 4, C 6, D 8. Answer is B 4. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given radius of Zn2 plus ion is 0.74 angstrom and radius of S2 minus ion is 1.84 angstrom. Therefore, radius ratio R plus by R minus is equal to 0.74. It is the value of radius of Zn2 plus ion by 1.84. It is the value of radius of S2 minus ion is equal to 0.402. The value lies between 0.225 to 0.414. So, coordination number of Zn2 plus ions is equal to 4. Thank you for watching this video.